Hi Scorpio, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon and nakakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na messages para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for updates. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Scorpio. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Ano yung mga paparating na mensahe or energies for Scorpio? Mga gabay or guidance for Scorpio. Energies and messages for Scorpio. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you are focusing on your work, on your creativity, or passion project. Okay, you are nurturing yourself, developing yourself, you are using your intuition. Yeah. So, kung meron man kayo mga sufferings or mga sacrifices na pinagdaanan, okay, you will be overcoming it. Things will be okay now. Things will be better now, Scorpio. Yeah. Yung mga concerns mo, okay, or yeah, parang bigla na lang maglalaho or magkakaroon ng solusyon. There will be happiness in you. Okay, you will be happy. Okay. Your concerns will fade away. The moon. Yeah. Deep inside, merong uncertainty in you, Scorpio, about moving forward. Okay. Meron kayong mga naiisip, no, at the back of your head. Like if you are focusing on your work, may ginagawa kayo while developing or nurturing yourself. Deep inside or sa loob-loob nyo, meron kayong somewhat ano tawag doon, yung hindi kayo mapanatag, hindi mapanatag ang loob nyo over something, okay, about two path, about two directions, okay, you are in between, okay, that is for some of you. Yeah, merong uncertainty in your situation, something like that, so merong energy na ganyan, okay, so there will be happiness on the other hand regarding to your family, okay? Yeah, parang kung ano man yung mga problema ninyo about money or material things, okay? Parang balance, no? Napoprovide kung ano yung mga pangangailangan nyo at ng pangangailangan ng inyong family. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are doing well in your work, in your job. There is a wish come true sa inyo. Yeah. Okay, yeah. You need to release or to forgive yourself and others for some of you. Yeah, kung meron man mga past experiences or past events na nagbigay sa inyo ng heartache, disappointment, and sorrows. Okay, heal yourself, forgive, okay, and move on. Higit sa lahat. Okay. Yeah, now you're going to make smart or wise decision about your life, about your relationship. Okay, for some of you, King of Pentacles. Yeah, you will be focusing on your money. Sa trabaho mo, kaperahan. You will be wiser and smarter. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, your business is going well. Okay? Yeah. Financially, you are okay and your family is supportive din sa inyo. Okay, it's just that merong something within you that na parang naiisip nyo palagi or hindi naman naiisip na palagi. Merong something na hindi kayo kampante. Parang merong uncertainty parang you need something, a secure situation, like maybe when it comes to a relationship, with regards to your emotions, there is a problem, no? Merong uncertainty, parang merong incomplete, okay, sa inyong estado ngayon, okay? Yeah, there is missing something is missing, no? Emotionally. Okay, depende sa inyong sitwasyon, that these are the energies. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest pag hindi para sa inyo. Let's see, ano tong King of Wands for Scorpio. King of Wands, 7 of Wands. Okay. Okay. You are protecting yourself. You are protecting your stability. You are focusing on your work, on your creativity. Okay. You don't want to be distracted. That is for some of you. You are making long-term plans for your future regarding stability and security. No? Sa trabaho or sa creative works mo man to. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, you are defensive, okay? Defensive of what you have, or protective of what you have, no? Yeah, for some of you, you are showing strength. You are learning how to say no. Yeah, you are setting boundaries. Queen of Cups. Yeah. Queen of Cups. Tingnan natin yung Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups. Yeah, 3 of Pentacles. You are working on yourself. You are working on your stability. Maybe you are fixing something, your emotions. Okay? Yung sarili mo. Yeah. You are working on your intuition. 7 of Cups, okay. Bakit may 3 of Pentacles, 7 of Cups? Yeah, for some of you, meron ka mga options, okay? Or may mga complex ka or komplikado na mga desisyon na kailangan gawin about yourself, about your emotion, stability of yourself, okay? Iba sa inyo, marami kayong mga choices and options na available for you. Yeah. So, the 10 of Swords, it's, you're ending something. Okay? You're ending something difficult. You're ending a betrayal. You're ending a deception. Whatever. Page of Swords. Okay? And the 9 of Wands. Okay. You will be getting out from these difficulties or challenging situation in your life. It may be sa creative work mo to, okay? Or sa iyong career or trabaho. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are learning something, you are getting information about something or about someone. And now you are moving on, okay? Things will be better now for you, Scorpio. Yeah. You are ready. For some of you, you are ready to move on. It's just like you're getting, parang you're just getting a confirmation, no? Yeah, yung information so that you can finally move on. Okay? Although you are feeling defensive pa and vulnerable in your situation, but you are ending something. King of Wands, yes, namamayagpag ka sa inyong creativity, sa inyong work, sa inyong negosyo or business. Okay, you are achieving good things. Okay, it's a wish come true para sa inyo about sa work mo. Yes, namamayagpag ka. 6 of Wands, victory and success. You are happy. Okay? You are victorious. Yeah, kung meron ka mang may mga self-doubt ka dati sa inyong ginagawa, parang napagtagumpayan mo na yan, Scorpio. Okay. Yeah, right now it's like you feel superior over something. Huh? You feel great. Bakit may the moon? Okay, yeah. Okay, so merong uncertainty about sa emotion mo or about sa intimate relationship. Okay, there is fear or insecurity. Okay? Parang merong kakulangan about sa iyong relasyon, about buhay pag-ibig. Scorpio. Yeah, 9 of Pentacles. Yeah. So, parang merong incomplete, no, in your situation. It's like parang walang masyadong aksyon. Walang mga happenings or nangyayari about your love life. For some of you, you are focusing on your work, on your career, on your passion project. Okay. About kaperahan, success, triumph. Yeah, for some of you, you are just wanting to move on, no, sa inyong ginagawa. Or sa inyong business. Or sa inyong study. Or for some of you, you may be traveling. Okay? 10 of Cups. Bakit may 10 of Cups? Eight of Wands. And the Knight of Wands. Okay. Parang merong someone nagpaparamdam sa inyo. Okay. Maybe they are sending messages. Okay. That is making you happy and fulfilled. Merong emotional satisfaction or contentment. Okay. Action. Messages. Inspiration. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, baka merong someone na nagbibigay sa inyo ng inspiration. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, for some, kung meron mang separation and sadness na nangyari, you have to let it go. It's time for you to let it go. Yeah. Parang it is required for you to end something na sad, for you to be able to move on and to expand, Scorpio. You have to let go of those heartaches and pains so that you will be able to move on and to expand. Bakit may 3 of Wands? Yeah, the world again. Yeah, you need to move on, let go. You need to end it. Okay, you have to let it go so that you will be able to evolve, to grow and to expand. Okay, there is something also for some of you, merong ending, siguro a phase in a relationship or a phase in your work. Okay, na kinakailangan. The Lovers. Tingnan natin, the Lovers. Knight of Cups. Okay, there is someone na may gusto sa inyo or interesado. They want to express their feelings. Okay. Yeah, for some, there is an invitation to go out with you. King of Pentacles. Yeah. Merong someone na gusto ka i-pursue. Scorpio. someone wants to send you a message or giving you a signal that they like you. Yeah, for some of you, merong invitation for a collaboration. This is about business. Okay, business partner. Because your business or yung career mo, trabaho mo, it's going well. Okay? Yeah, your business is going well. So, there is partnership. Merong gustong mag-take ng action, makipag-partner sa inyo. Okay? Knight of Pentacles. Anong meron sa Knight of Pentacles? King of Pentacles, sorry. King of Pentacles for Scorpio. The Fool. You're open for possibilities. Yeah, Seven of Pentacles. So, your business is expanding. It's growing, no? So, your business is going well. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you will be taking chances or another opportunities. You will be taking another opportunity para makapag-earn uli. Okay? Or mag-grow pa ang inyong business, ang inyong savings, mag-grow pa ang inyong money. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you will be taking an opportunity, a chance. You're going to take a risk. Maybe an investment to further grow your money. Okay? So, when it comes to finances, when it comes to your career, when it comes sa work mo or mga projects mo, creative projects, passion projects, you are victorious. Okay? Your business is going well. Except that there is uncertainty in another aspect of your life, most especially sa inyong relasyon or sa buhay pag-ibig. Okay? So, kung meron ng heartaches, you have to let it go. You have to end it or let it go so that you will be able to move on, to expand. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so parang wala kayong dapat ikabahala. Okay? Walang negative in your energies, Scorpio. Alright? So, you are doing well. You are a successful person. Magaling ka sa inyong work. You are being recognized. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin mga additional messages for Scorpio. Guardian Angel. Some higher power protects you from difficulties and misfortunes. Trust your Guardian Angel. Investments. Investments made will have positive results that will bring prosperity. Invest wisely. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo is taking a chance or will be investing on something. Okay, so invest wisely. And flexibility. Adapt slowly by using versatility, compromise, adaptation, change, etc. Be flexible in your methods. Okay, kuha tayo additional message from the angels for Scorpio. Scorpio, please. Additional message, angel message for Scorpio. Raise or promotion. Congratulations! An increase in your abundance flow awaits you. This is a result of your positive focus and willingness to take action based on your divine guidance. Keep up the good work. Okay? So, Scorpio, these are the messages for you. All the best. Thank you and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!